Installation instructions for BMW Eccentric shaft kit. Warning: rough handling and disassembly and reassembly are strictly prohibited during installation. Please read the instructions carefully before installation. No warranty claim would be handled if the product is damaged due to improper operation. Installation preparation. Disassembly process. Pull off the eccentric shaft motor plug and remove the cylinder head cover. Remove the fuel injector of the servo motor. With the aid of a 4mm hexagon wrench, rotate the eccentric shaft motor counterclockwise manually to its minimum lift position. Remove the limit screws and 3 fixing bolts of the motor. Rotate the motor by 90 degrees and lift it up. Use specialized tools 117-110 in sequence to tighten the reset spring and remove the reset spring support. Remove all eccentric shaft bushing covers and arrange them in order. Remove the eccentric shaft and bushings. Installation process. Replace the eccentric shaft, needle roller bearings, and bushings with brand new ones. Perform thorough lubrication with engine oil before installing the needle roller bearings and bushings. Install the eccentric shaft and tighten the eccentric shaft bushing covers in sequence with a tightening torque of 8.5 Nm. Insert and rotate the new motor, limit screws, and servo motor fuel injector for installation. With a tightening torque of 10 Nm, use specialized tools 117-110 in sequence to tighten the reset spring with a tightening torque of 10 Nm and install the reset spring support. Install the cylinder head cover and reset the motor plug. Matching process. Turn on the ignition switch 15, enter BMW diagnostic software, and enter DME. Calibrate the electronic valve control limit position. After the limit position is successfully identified, test run the electronic valve system. After the running period is successfully completed, read the fault code. If there is no fault code, start the vehicle and read the data stream of the electronic valve control system. To enter the electronic valve control system, check if the standard value of the eccentricity angle is the same as its actual value.